Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agarwal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I am going to show you how to control your ants in your plants or in your home or in your garden, and many of the problems are there for menace of the ants. So you just can control it easily. Your homemade some recipes, some of the homemade ingredients easily that you can just throw it. With these items you can use in your, and if you want you can go for chemical control by thiamine or polygal powder you can use, and you can eradicate all your ants. And if you use carbamide is deadly poison to the ants. So you can use them also, but I am not going for that. I am not in favor of going for any sort of chemical control. I am going to for just for home recipe. These are all the peels of these are the Mosambi or some Malta or some these are oranges, and some you can use all the peels of these are the lemons and limes, and some of the peels of you can use these are the garlic cloves. Garlic cloves are the excellent, and you can use some of the neem leaves. These are the neem, and these contains azadirachtin. These are anti-insect, and these are the some mint or some mint or pudina. These are the extract. If you can use, you can spray, and I am going to show you how to make your contact or the extract and spray on the insects, and just they will run away. And you cannot kill them. You just do not kill them. Just they will run away from your any of the produce, any of the pots, and these are. And just first you have to take 2 liters of water. If you want, you can take 1 liter of water also. I am taking 2 liters of water in any bowl. So just take 2 liters of water. Yes, since my garden is big, I am taking 2 liters of water. If you want, you can make 1 liter of water solution also. This is the 2 liters of water. So friends, all the lines after squeezing all the juices from here, you can just use these peels. All these peels and extract you can use in this, and you can put here all this here. So just pull. This contains lots of essential oil in there. Well, and these are the just put them here. First, second, what you will do? Just peel off all your malta and all, and just peel off. Pull it here. This contains lots of essential oils, and this will be deterrent to all the insects and ants. So these are I am putting as maximum possible, at least 3 to 4. All the peels you are using the fruits, just eat up all the pulp and use all the peels here. And I am showing you how the oil, essential oil are here. Just see, just watch. I am showing you what the essential oils are there. So next step, what you do? Just take some cloves, and these are all the cloves of this garlic, and take around 50 grams of garlic cloves, and some twigs of this mint. This mint leaves, these are contains lots of essential oils, and these are deterrent to insects. And some of the neem leaves, these are contains azadirachtin, and I am putting it here in such mixie. So put this some mixie here so that you can make a paste here. Just I am putting it here. And just I am putting it here all this and some of the leaves, and put some water here. So friends, put some water here so that there should be a good quality of paste, and just leave it properly. And so friends, this is the mixture, these are the chutney and some paste of all these 3 items, and just I am putting it here. So just pour it here and mix it properly, and let it sit for 24 hours, and make sure that don't boil it. Don't use any of the boiled water, just use cold water only. Just let it sit for 24 hours, and after 24 hours we will strain all this. We have a strainer, just strain it after 24 hours. I will be straining with this, strain it, let it sit for 24 hours and let it strain, and after tomorrow I will be using against the ants, and you will see how the ants run away from this. This is the best medicine to organic, homemade, your compost or your homemade any of the mixture that you can run away all your ants from your pots or any of the plants house. So just keep on watching. I am coming up today. So just wait till today, and I am showing you another. Just keep it today and just here. So thank you very much, and keep on watching, and just keep on watching. Tomorrow I will see you again. Thank you very much, and keep on watching. Welcome back, friends. After 24 hours, we have made a compost, some homemade extract of all this. Now I am straining all this. Now just this some greenish compost mixture, and very strange and odd smell. This will definitely deterring the insects. One thing I must tell you that you can use thymate or polydol or carbamate. Carbamate is a dangerous insecticide for like insects, especially for ants. Hunter insects, but this is the best you can use. So this is some greenish material and huge smells is coming out from here. Just use it, and now I am filling it with some of the. This is the some sprayer. Just use the sprayer and spray in the insects, especially in the ants, and no ant will be there. All the ants will just run away. So just use it. I am filling it up, and I am showing you how to spray it. And once you spray it, at least 7 to 10 days, there will be no ant in your pot or in your area wherever you apply it. So this is all, and just I am going to spray it, and keep on watching. I am showing you all the details. Thank you very much, and keep on watching. Thank you. So friends, as you can see, all are eggs of the insect. These are the insect's eggs, and now I am going to spray it here, and you can see within seconds all will be out here. These are very effective and repellent. They will not kill the ants. They are the just repellent. This is the best repellent ever I have used, and just make it and use it as a repellent, and you can control it about 7 to 10 days. All ants will be there. No ant will be there. Thank you very much, and keep on watching. So friends, now you can see these are the insects. All the ants are. These are they are rallying all these ants, and now I am going to spray it, and you can see the results. These are the very effective ant repellent. They will not going to kill the ants, but they will repel all your ants from your pots and area where you can use. These are the ants here, and these are the very severe problem in rainy season. So friends, after 1 minute, you can see no insect is there, no ant is there. Everyone is cleaned off, everything. So just this is the, you just use it. Thank you. So friends, these are all the sprayer ready, and these are all the insects, especially the ants. Lots of ants, and you can see the lots of ants in these pots also. And if you want to control it, just spray it here. And I am showing you how these insects will be just. And all will run away. All the insects, all the ants will run away, and none will be there. So just spray it and use it in your garden or in your pots, and no ant will be there. Just use it and write down in the comment box what is your experience. You can see just all ran away. So within seconds all ran away. And this is the all procedures. You just use it. This is homemade and entirely eco-friendly, and you don't have to use any of the chemicals. No carbamate at all. So carbamate is very dangerous for ecosystem. Don't use carbamate. Just use this spray here, and hope you could understand all the system of preparation of this compost and all these mixtures here. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to share with your near and dear ones, please share with your near and dear ones. And if you are very new to my channel, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to upload many things about homemade insecticide and eco-friendly insecticide and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.